In this video, we'll break down exactly how to snag your own USAA Visa card, a card known for its great benefits, in under 2 minutes. First, head over to the official USAA website. Look for the credit cards section, usually found in the navigation menu. Click on it. This will bring you to the page showcasing their Visa credit card options, and be sure you're on a secure connection. Next, browse through the Visa card choices and select the one that aligns with your needs. Each card has different rewards and features. Once you have made a decision, click the Apply Now button on the particular card you want. You'll then be directed to the application form. You will need to provide personal information like your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and contact info. Be prepared to enter your employment details, income, and housing information. Take your time filling out each field accurately and honestly. Double-check everything before submitting, especially for typos. This will ensure a smoother review process. Review all the terms, conditions, and interest rates before moving on. After you've completed the application, hit the Submit button. USAA will then review your application, which might take a few days to process. You will receive an email or letter from USAA regarding your application status. If approved, your card will be sent to the address you provided. If you have any questions or need clarification, you can always call USAA's customer service. And that's it. Now go apply for your USAA Visa.